My grandma just called me a fucking nigger. I don't know why she mad, so I had to hit her. Why the fuck my cousin looking for his four-wheeler? I just need some fucking water and some sugar. How you don't got no tissue in here? Why your car only go to the first gear? Feel like DC on fly, bring that ass here. Shout out Martin Luther King, that nigga had a dream. Fuck do you mean? That nigga had a dream. Martin Luther King. I'm on the space, 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 I'm on the way, I'm on the space, I'm on the space, I'm on the space jam, I'm going soaring away, I'm like an astronaut, bitch, I'm out of space, can't find me right now, I'm gone, so that bitch that I went away.